Jamaica and tell us about today's game.
Xavier Gilbert, coach Montego Bay United. Xavier Gilbert, coach Montego Bay United.
All right, tell us about today's performance.
To be honest, it was a decent performance from us. You know, I mean, I thought we created some good opportunities and could have scored some more goals. But I mean, two tough teams. We expected a tough encounter. I thought we fought our way back in the game. You know, close to the second half, close to halftime. I think we had some dominance, and we just used that momentum. Came out a little bit sharper than we did. And we got 2 goals and should have managed the game a little bit better. But credit to the way we play. We really didn't allow them to break us down, you know. They scored off 2 set pieces, and that's part of the game. I thought we did well enough, could have gotten 3 points, but that's how it is sometimes. On the road, it's better to leave here with something than nothing, you know.
Coach, in the second half, we saw a tactical change in terms of, I think, speaking to one particular player, Jamal Clark, comes out with fire, comes out, starting to bully and get his game in the back and get up 2 goals, scored 1 and second 1. What do you say to him right now after that?
I mean, I said to the entire team, you know, he's the biggest figure out there on the field. And we got to use him. He's an asset to us. And we got to play to our strength. You know, and I didn't think he was aggressive enough, you know, with his size up top. And I spoke to him at halftime and told him what to do. And I mean, we had to play the ball up to him and play off him. And that's what we did too, and it gave us 2 goals.
First game, fans, could have won the game, but more work to be done in training. Tell us what we can expect from Montego Bay going into the next game against Trinity.
I mean, hopefully we can continue to improve and do well. Not a bad start, to be honest. I thought we have to play a little bit faster. I thought we allowed Mount Pleasant to slow the tempo in the first half, and I mean, as soon as we pick it up, we were dominant, you know. So that's something that we have to improve on, and we're going to build on that. And hopefully we can get positive results with what we have been doing. I thought we did some good things today. There's still some things that we have to work on, but once we can build on the good things and improve on the other areas, then we should be in good stead.
So you ran back now after out of the blocks today against Mount Pleasant, the league final this last time. How was it for you today?
Yeah, bit of mixed feelings, you know. Disappointed that we couldn't come away with 3 points, but happy that we're leaving with something, you know. And that's a positive I want to take from it. You know, we got our way back in the game, and I think we had some dominance and could have managed the game a little bit better. And could have made, also some better decisions up top. But such is life. We're happy that we get something out of the game.
You would have known exactly what to expect from Mount Pleasant. How much of your objective to carry out in this game?
Most of it. To be honest, a lot of it. You know, there are still some things that, you know, we really didn't allow them to play through our back line and get in front of goal, get shots in front of goal, you know. We wanted that if they were going to hurt us, they would have to cross it and see if they can hurt us, you know, but we didn't allow them to really get shots on the frame of goal. And I think from that perspective, I'm very happy with the way we play.
Back yourself in front, but wasn't able to hold on the lead. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, again, as I said, that was a disappointing part of the game for me today. That we got in front and we just didn't manage to close out the game as best as we could have, you know. Shouldn't have gave up that free kick there, and we should have defended that set piece better. But it's part of it. We got to learn and we got to fix things going down. You know, it's many more games to go. Early days, and for me, they're more positive out of today, and I'm happy and proud of the boys. The staff did well, and we're just gonna build on that.